Today we're going to be looking at how to find the mean of a data set. We have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. For question number 1, we can see that we've been provided a data set and we're being asked to find the mean or the average of that data set. Well, as we can see up top here highlighted in yellow, in order for us to calculate the mean or the average, first, we're going to add all of our values together, and then we're going to take that sum and we're going to divide that sum by the total number of values that we started out with. So for question number 1, we're going to calculate our mean by first adding all of these numbers together. So we have 4 plus 10 plus 6 plus 7, and lastly plus 5. And since we have 6 data points here, we're going to be dividing this sum by 6. Well, when we add 4 plus 4, we get 8, plus 10 gives us 18, plus 6 gives us 24, plus 7 gives us 31, and lastly plus 5 gives us 36. And then we're going to divide that sum of 36 by 6. Well, when we divide 36 by 6, we get 6. So the mean for this data set, or the average, is going to be 6. Now moving on to question number 2, where this time we've been provided a much larger data set, but that doesn't matter because the process for figuring out the mean or the average remains the same. So first off, in order for us to calculate the mean here, we're going to add all of these values together. So we have 15 plus 22 plus 36 plus 21, plus 16, plus 13, plus 24, plus 47, plus 33, and lastly, plus 66. And we can see here that we have 10 data points here, so we're going to be dividing the sum of all of these numbers by 10. So when we add all of these numbers together, either by hand or using a calculator, we're not going to do this in this video, we're going to get the sum of 293. And we're going to divide that sum of 293 by 10. Well, when we divide 293 by 10, we get the mean or the average of 29 3/10. So hopefully by now you understand how to find the mean of a data set. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.